dito. Itong kanyang Renault Scenic 2011. Nagka-problema daw ito sa electric parking brake system failure ang nakalagay sa dashboard. And then diagnose natin kung anong problema, no? Mali. Sa mga electronic na ito, pagka medyo mahina na yung battery, nag-a-appear yung mga warning signs. Balita! So mabuting saksakan din ng diagnostics. Kuha tayo ng diagnostics. Ito yung ating diagnostics. Tatlong model itong diagnostics natin. Bata ito yung pamalakasan natin. Ano yari?
Kahapon pasusik na ito. Kahapon nagdala ko galing break. Pag uwi may lumabas na brake system failure.
Brake system failure? Oh.
Naiuwi ko pa.
Oh.
Naman.
Okay. Titingnan natin. So titingnan natin kung ano nangyari dito. So electric parking brake po yan guys, yung kanyang system. So yung Nissan kalokohan ng mga Renault ito. Ito nyo. Ayos. So see, brake system fault. So titingnan natin. Possible hanapin natin yung kanyang OBD ports. Minsan yung mga Renault company palipat-lipat sila ng mga OBD ports na lalagyan. So hanapin pa natin, kakapain natin dahil 2011 model ito. So minsan dito nila ilalagay. Ito banda. Let's see. No, that's fuse box. That's fuse. Nothing to do with that. So ilawan natin. So we're looking for the OBD ports. Dito. So i-on natin. Hindi na natin i-start. On lang. Okay, naka-on na yun siya. Kailangan natin. Saan na ba yung OBD dito? Sa ayos. Tingnan natin dito sa loob. Wala. Sana ba yan? Ikot ang ating mga Renault na ito. Dito na lang sana nilagay. So kinakapa natin guys yung yung OBD ports. Basta kasalo ko yan. God. Sayos. The last portion dito. Tanggalin natin ito. Kita yung kalukuhan ng Renault. So, yung UV report sa Renault Scenic guys is na makikita dito sa kanyang center console mismo. So kuha lang kayo ng flathead screwdriver. Ganyan. So makikita nyo kaagad. Wala sa ayos. Nangamuti tayo dito. Hanahanap. So naka on position yan siya. Kakabitan natin ng computer para malaman kung anong sira ng kanyang brake system, no? Brake system failure ang nakalagay or brake system fault, and we will see two things that gonna happen here. Either we need his battery is low, very low battery, or the brake fluid is very low, or there is a fault on the caliper, brake caliper. So we will see here, like we diagnose here. We need to find Renault. Find Renault here. This one is Renault, but Samsung, but no. So we go this one, Renault only. Okay, he's reading now. Hopefully there's no like major damage on the or faults on the brake system, because this is the advantage on the automatic brake system or the electric parking brake. When it gets faulty, then magpapanik yung driver, but nagpa-function yung brake. So click natin, so scan. Dahil nakalagay nga brake system faulty, but normally itong ano niya, brake actuator, we will see. I have to confirm it. So here, rear right hand wheel speed sensor signal. So it has the problem with the nagpa-function yung brake. So ang sira lang nito is yung kanyang speed sensor sa may offside rear or driver side rear. So wheel speed sensor. So yun lang guys ang sira ng kanyang sasakyan. In relation to that, kasi yan sila, dapat magkasinabot yun sila, makikommunicate yung wheel speed sensor at saka yung sa kanyang sa electric parking brake. So pagka merong sira yung kanyang yung kanyang wheel speed sensor, appear dun sa dashboard, and then it make confusion to the driver. So to make it confirm, ginamitan natin ng we use computer to pin down what's wrong or what was the cause of it. So yeah, rear right wheel rear right hand wheel speed sensor signal. So that's it, and we will try to delete this thing, and if it is the brake system fault pa rin ang nakalagay, then we gonna change the thing, the offside rear wheel speed sensor. So we're clearing the code here. So we will start the engine, push the engine again, and then okay. Checking for functions. Clear. So we're gonna start this thing. We're gonna start the engine. Okay, neutral. And then yeah, clear the system. Sometimes pagka mga ano guys, yeah, na delete na natin, so back to normal na siya, so i-off natin and then turn the engine off, and we will see it still keep displaying. So nawala yung kanyang ano, no, brake system failure. So paalam natin sa may-ari na yun lang ang sira ng kanyang sasakyan. For the meantime, inano muna natin, diniagnose natin sa by computer, and then yeah, dinelete natin yung code, yung fault codes, and if it is still coming back on the next sira, so it's still coming back on, so that thing needs to be changed. And after changing, we need also check the brake fluid. So pagka kasi mayroong sira, either one of the ABS sensor, it's making complicate to the brake system. Yeah, but the brake still working. The only thing is the ABS driver side rear is gone. See that? So that will remain fault, not unless the problem is being addressed. The last thing to check here is we need to check the level on the brake fluid, because if the brake fluid is low, that means it has a problem with the brake pads. So we need to check the brake fluid. Freaking brake fluid. Seriously. Ito brake fluid. Ito yung kanyang brake fluid. Yeah, bumaba na nga. So nasa pinaka minimum talaga. So ang gagawin natin, tapapan natin ang brake fluid, and we will see if still giving out signal. Maba yung level ng kanyang brake fluid, whether or not yung brake pads right or left on both sides manipis na.
Okay.
And then meron siyang, pag plug in ko ng diagnostics, meron siyang sira doon sa kanang ABS sensor or wheel speed sensor sa may offside driver side, rear, offside rear. So tinatry nating dinelete yung code, and then bumabalik pa din. Babalik talaga yan pagka hindi na-address yung problema. Kailangan maayos yung problema. So but ABS is not really threatening, like it's not
Hindi naman siya ano kumbaga.
No, it's only
Safe to drive.
yeah, it's still safe to drive. That's only like for the traction.
Oo.
But no. It's not really thing, but yeah. But the car still can drive. Still driving.
So ano ngayon ang gagawin natin ngayon dyan?
No, you need to buy wheel speed sensor. Driver side, rear.
Saan ako bibili?
Wheel speed sensor. Shop, of course. Yeah.
Pwede i-text mo sa akin.
Yeah.
And then,
It is.
and then, kailan ka babalik? Kailan ka
Next week ako babalik. Lilipad ako ng ano. Tawag nito. London bukas. So babalik ako by babalik din naman kagad. Not okay.